Good day guys, welcome to the channel. In this one I will show you how to download a file in Figma. So for example, let me just choose for example this project. I will use this template. It will open up in my new project. Alright, get started. So for example, let us download a file. So how to do this? You just choose some kind of frame, then you go to the export, and after this, as you can see, we'll have this little menu, and you will be exporting a certain file. So just like you can export as an image the entire file, right, the entire project, you can also export different objects inside of your project, right? So for example, if I export this as asset, I will download the asset, as you can see, colorful birthday. So this is the complete one. And let me, for example, just create my own. All right, so for example, I will just open this. No, not this. I will just open my blank project. And let's say I want to just make this star some kind of color. Let me just see, fill. And let me just make it, for example, blue, like that. Okay. And now I want to, for example, export it. So you go export, as you can see, click on a plus, export star1, choose, for example, PDF or JPEG, choose the size. What else do we have here? The color profile, quality, image resampling, etc. And just export. All right. And if I go to my downloads and press on it, as you can see, this is my star. So this is pretty much how to export files and download files in Figma, guys. Enjoy, hopefully this helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. See you soon in the next one, guys.